What's the difference between UI and UX? Can one designer do both? Ever wondered why some apps are so easy to use while others make you want to pull your hair out? The secret lies in UI and UX design. But what's the difference, and can one person handle both? Let's break it down. Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of UI and UX design, two buzzwords in tech that are often misunderstood. Whether you're building an app, a website, or a digital product, understanding these roles is crucial. Stick around to learn the difference, real-life examples, and whether one designer can do both. UI stands for user interface. Think of it as the look of a product, the buttons, sliders, colors, and topography that users interact with. It's all about aesthetics and ensuring that every visual element is intuitive and appealing. Real-life example. Take Instagram. Its UI is sleek and simple, with easy-to-spot buttons for likes, comments, and stories. The design is so clean that even first-time users can navigate without a hitch. UX, on the other hand, is user experience. It focuses on the feel of the product, how easy it is to use, how fast you can achieve your goals, and how enjoyable the experience is. It's all about functionality and flow. Think about Amazon. The UX is designed to make shopping effortless, from personalized recommendations to a seamless one-click checkout. It's no accident that they're dominating e-commerce. The difference between UI and UX. Here's a simple analogy. UI is like decorating a cake. It's the frosting, the colors, and the sprinkles that make it look good. UX is baking the cake. It's about making sure it tastes just as amazing as it looks. Both are essential, but they serve different purposes. A product with great UI but bad UX might look good but frustrate users. A product with great UX but bad UI might work well but feel clunky. Now the big question. Can one person handle both UI and UX? The answer is, it depends. In smaller teams or startups, a unicorn designer often does both, managing the visuals and user flows. However, in larger companies, the roles are usually split to allow for specialization. A startup building a fitness app might hire one designer to handle both UI and UX because of budget constraints. Meanwhile, a tech giant like Google would have separate teams. One for UI, ensuring the design is pixel perfect, and another for UX, testing every user journey. Success story. Dropbox started with a small team where designers handled both UI and UX. As they scaled, they split the roles, leading to a more refined product that balances aesthetics and functionality. Understanding UI and UX is crucial not just for designers but for anyone working in tech. A well-designed product increases user satisfaction, boosts retention, and even drives revenue. Studies show that every $1 invested in UX returns $100 in value. That's a stat you can't ignore. So, whether you're a designer, developer, or entrepreneur, knowing the difference between UI and UX can make or break your product. What do you think? Can one person excel at both, or are these roles better kept separate? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and design insights.